This is Goonhilly Earth Station in the southwest of England. It's been around since the 60s, even helping broadcast the Apollo 11 mission, the first ever manned mission to the moon. But now it's receiving an upgrade, with its GHY-6 antenna being turned into a deep space transmitter receiver that will be used with private space companies entering the space race. The massive 104-foot wide array already has its sights set on Mars, confirming that the UAE's Hope probe was successfully orbiting, and they're looking to pick up and possibly decode signals from NASA's Perseverance rover when it lands later this week, if the American Space Agency runs into trouble doing so, as well as nabbing information from China's Tianwen-1 as it orbits and eventually lands. So why upgrade an aging array? Here's Goonhilly Earth Station's Business Development and Training Manager, Dr. Kat Hickey.
More and more of the, well, I'm going to call it the sexy stuff. So, thinking about spacecraft and satellites going into orbit and things like that. The more and more we do of that in a commercial framework, the more we're going to need the ground infrastructure, the data processing capacity and capabilities, things like that from the commercial sector as well, because if all of that is sort of bottlenecked through, well, essentially the existing government and agency infrastructure, then it might be very difficult to actually support the level and the amount of missions that are going to be going into space over the next few years and decades.